lovelies. So today I am heading to the dealership to hopefully pick up my new car. I say hopefully because it's been like a struggle to get this car, okay? Like, yeah, so I'm hoping that I'll actually get it. I went yesterday to pick it up and they told me, no, you're supposed to pick it up the next day. Like, yeah, it's it's been a long time. So I'll be back. I've had a really tough time. I'm sure like other people have. Due to COVID, my wedding got postponed. That was supposed to be the greatest time of my life and it got postponed. So I'm like, you know what? I've been working hard with my business and my full-time job. I'm gonna treat myself to a car and lift my spirits, you know? So I just wanted to show you guys my new car. Saying goodbye to my car. It's been a nice 3 years. We have lots of memories together. You will be missed. This is my new car. Isn't she pretty? I got some nice winter tires. Tinted windows. That's the back. And I have a sunroof. Something cool that I didn't have with my other car. To open the trunk, all I have to do is stand behind it for a few seconds. And it will open. That's the inside. I don't have too much in there. It's pretty spacious. And to open it, all you have to do is press it once and that will open your side. Has a nice lighting and chrome handles. And to open all doors, you just press it twice. So this is the inside of my car. It's got a touch screen. And a compartment as well to store things. A nice sunroof. And my sunroof, you just control it here. You just push if you want it up. And then to slide it back, you just slide. I love that. Then here, it has its own little light, which is nice. For your sunglasses or reading glasses. Just gonna turn it on. That's what the dash looks like when it's turned on. I have my touch screen. You can like adjust what settings you want for like your phone or if you want to listen to the radio and whatnot. Here, just all my menus. So it's pretty cool. And the sound, it sounds pretty good as well. I'll just that's the sound. It goes pretty loud as well. As you know, I like my music loud. Oh, and it does have Apple CarPlay, so you do have to connect like a USB to the car for it to actually work. But then it's great because then all your apps from your phone are displayed on the screen, which is quite nice. And it does have the connection there for you to connect your phone. And here is kind of cool because it has, I can press this button for tow truck. I can't remember what this one is for, but this one is to contact emergency services. Functions here, you can control the brightness of your dash, and then this button here is for your blind spot indicator. You can turn it on or off, but I have it on so it will beep if you try to change lanes and somebody's close to you. This here is a like lane assist kind of thing, and you can turn it on or off, and it will be white on the dash. The sensor didn't detect any lane markers or your vehicle is going under 40 miles per hour or 64 kilometers per hour. Now when it turns green, it means that the sensor is picking up that you're going out of your lines in your lane. And if you're outside of your lines, you'll actually feel the car like trying to steer you to go into your lane. Like you'll feel it. It'll be like, bitch, get in your lane, you know? So that's pretty cool. So it does have heated steering wheel as well as seats, and the controls for it are just right here. Then of course it has your cruise control, and I can answer my phone as well and adjust the volumes and whatnot for my radio. And all the controls here as well. Now this app is really cool. It's called Blue Link. I have it free for 5 years. Not too sure how much it is to pay thereafter, but this app can access my car. So this is the main screen once you've logged in, and I've just hit the vehicle status, and it shows you if your door is locked or if your door is open. It also tells me if my engine is on, and it gives me how many kilometers I can do until I run out of gas and I need to refuel. Then I went to the engine settings, and with this you can customize your temperature and your idle time. So in the winter you can have it set so that your car is nice and warm for you, and the windows are all defrosted and your seats are all warm and your steering wheel. It is gonna be awesome. And in the summer, your car can be nice and cool for you. So this next functionality is pretty cool. It's to find my car. You have to make sure that your location services are on. Once you've done that, it's gonna locate your car for you. So if you go to the mall and you forget where you parked, it's gonna tell you exactly where you parked. When I was waiting for my car, I was monitoring it. Like I could see it was still in Montreal, and I was waiting for it to come to Ottawa. Oh my goodness. So this is really, really handy to have, and it's quite accurate. Now, if you click on the bottom where it says 2020 Elantra, it does give you more information. Obviously, I'm not going to do that right now because I don't want you to see where I am. But give it a try if you do have this app. It's pretty cool. Let me show you this. Does have a backup camera as well, which is nice. But I don't know what else to show you guys. Like, I'm not a really technical person at all, so I can't go into huge details about the functions. But I mean, if there's something that you really want to know, I can definitely show you that. But I'm absolutely loving this car. It's very fast. It's good on gas. Like, I'm just loving it. I'm so glad that I got this vehicle. I don't even think I mentioned, but it's a Hyundai Elantra 2020, and it's the luxury model. I've never had an almost top of the line vehicle before, so it's really nice. I just need a name for her. So if you have any cool names, pop them down below. I definitely like to see. Thanks so much for watching, lovelies, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!